how to change the camera settings angle on FC24. So the first thing you want to do on the main settings here is to come up to the top left and select the customization section. Now we want the main settings, then within the main settings we want game settings. Now here within game settings you can use the left and right bumper to change to the different elements within FC24 that you want to change. In this section we want the camera, and here you can select the single player camera and you can change between the different camera angles, and on the right here it'll give you a preview of how each one will look in gameplay. Then you can come down and select the multiplayer camera. So if you're playing multiplayer, you can choose the camera angle you want there. You want the locked to player camera, and you can change that. You have the club camera and be a keeper camera. So there are all the different camera angles you can change within FC24. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash a like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.